Now it's the time to recall the all lesson. That means the full lesson. A family is made up of parents and children. Yes, definitely. Family means the parents should be there, children should be there, and a small family is a happy family. Why it is happy family? Already I have told you that when the number of family member are there, less family member are there, on that time they are able to get good food, good clothes, good education, all the things. So that is why the small family is the happy family. They love each other and take care of each other. Yes, in your family, each family members loves each other, is it? And they are taking care of each others. What about you? Are you taking care of your parents? Are you taking care of your grandmother, grandfather? Are you? So, next thing, children should obey and respect their parents. Yes, you should respect them, you should obey them, you should never raise any question about them. Is it clear for you? So whatever I told you, you should obey that one also. You should obey your teacher, you should obey your all elders. Only that time you will become a good child. Otherwise, no one will love you. Is it clear? Next, a big family has 3 or more children. Yes, more than 2 children. So definitely it should be 3 or more children. A big family is not as happy as a small family. That one also I have told you. Next, a family that has only parents and their 2 children is called a small or nuclear family. So another name of the small family is nuclear family. Who are staying there? They are staying only parents and 1 or 2 child. Next, a family that has parents, children, grandparents, that means uncles, aunts and their children also. That one is called the joint family, and joint family is nothing but one kind of big family. So these all things you should remember. Now it's the time to question answers. Now all of you see, it's the time of the discussion of the questions. Yes, the AB, the first bit. Answer the following questions. Here few questions are given. So first question is, what is a nuclear family? All of you know that which one is the nuclear family? The family in which the parents along with 1 or 2 children is called the nuclear or small family. So here a family that has only parents and their 2 children is called a small or nuclear family. Is it clear? Next question, how many kinds of families are there? Is it clear that how many kinds are there? That means 3, all of you know that there are 3 kinds of family. And what are those? Those are small family, big family and the joint family. Is it clear? Next thing, the third one. What are the disadvantages of big family? Is it? That means what problem is facing by the big family members, that things. So I have told you that the children, they are not getting sufficient amount of food and the education. If they got also, but that one is not that much good. Is it? So the children cannot get good education and food in big family. Is it clear? And all of you know that the small family is a happy family, isn't it? So here the answer should be the big family's problem. They are not the children, they cannot get good food and education. Next, fourth one. What are the advantages of joint family. So in joint family, what advantage you are getting? You have to say. So actually the joint family, it gives the importance to relationships. Yes, even if you reside in a joint family, on that time, the relationships will be very important. Is it clear? Next, the fifth one. How many members are there in your family? So in your family, how many members are residing? You have to number here. Write that number. Is it clear? But in my family, only 3 members are there. That's why I wrote here that 3 members are there in my family, not in your family. You have to write here my family. Is it clear? Next one, sixth one. That means the last one. What is a surname? Do you know what is a surname? You also have surname. So the surname is a name shared in common to identify the members of a family. Is it clear? So that one is called the surname. So these all questions I think all of you got. Is it? So next we will see the next bit. Now see here the B bit. Is it? So answer the following questions. That which questions are given, you have to answer. So first one, what kind of family is a happy family? Do you know? I have told you that the small family is a happy family. Is it clear? Next one, how many members live in a big family? Big family means parents should be there and more than 2 children should be there. Is so parents means 2 member and the more than 2 children, that means 4. So 5 should be there. So minimum 5 members live in a big family. Is it clear? More than 4, that means 5. Next one, who tells you stories? In your home, who tells you stories? Do you know? Who? Your mother or your grandmother or your grandfather? Anyone, definitely they are saying you. So for my case, my grandmother is telling me the stories. That's why I wrote here, my grandmother tells me stories. Is it clear? So whoever is telling you, you have to replace the relation here. Is it clear? Next, the fourth one, who plays with you? Who is playing in your home? Whether your father is playing him or your mother or your any siblings. So whoever is this, you have to write here the relationship. My grandfather is playing with me. That's why I wrote here, my grandfather plays with me. Is it clear? Now see here the next question. Who cooks food for your family? Yes, one person is cooking and all of the members of family, they are eating, isn't it? So in my family, my mother cooks the food for my family. That's why I wrote here the mother. Is it clear? If any other cooks, so you have to write the relationship here in the place of mother. Is it clear? Next one, the sixth one. Who earn money for your family? My father earned money for my family. That's why I wrote here the father. Is it? And if your father and mother also is earning, so on that time you have to write, my parents earn money for my family. Is it clear? Next, the last one. Is your family big or small? So you have to count your family member. If the total family member is coming 4 member, that means you, your parents and maybe one sibling, then on that time that one is a which kind of family? That one is a small family. Is it? And which one is the big family? So the parents, you and your siblings more than 2. Is it not? That means more than 1. So that it may be 2, 3 like that. If your family members are 5. So on that time, that one should be the big family. Here my family is small family, that means family member is 3, I have told you. That's why I wrote my family is small. Is it clear? Next, the C1. Fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. First one, the children of your uncles and aunties are your what? Cousins. Yes. The second one, father's brother is called, that means father's brother. Which one I told you? Uncle. Third one, a small family is a what? Is a happy family. Fourth one, a joint family lives together in the dash home. Same home. Joint family. Family means definitely they will reside in a family, in a home. Fifth one, the father's father or mother's father is your who? Dash is there. Grandfather. Sixth one, all the dash of a family live together. All the members. Seventh one, a small family is also called dash family. A small family is also called another name, nuclear family, I have told you. Next, the eighth one, a dash family is kind of big family. That means a joint family is kind of big family. Is it? So next one, the D part. Now I will discuss about the D bit. Write yes or no for the following sentences. First one, nuclear families are composed of parents, children and relatives. Is it yes? Is it true or false? No, it is not correct, because nuclear families are composed of parents and children, and that one also should be less than 3. So that one you have to write no. Second one, families are people who live together in the same housing unit. Yes, that one is true. So you have to write yes here. Third one, today the nuclear family is just one of many family forms. Is it? Yes, now it is. It is. So you have to write yes here.